Speak naturally in English with these phrasal verbs. Drop by, to visit someone unexpectedly or without a plan. You should drop by my house sometime this week.
I just wanted to drop by to say hi to you and to tell you all about my new gig.
So, what time can we drop by for drinks?
Turn up. To arrive unexpectedly or appear suddenly. He turned up late to the party.
Anyway, I'm pretty sure he'll turn up sooner or later.
So seriously, what happens if she doesn't turn up?
Find out. To discover something new or learn information you didn't know before. For example, she just found out that she got the job.
Tell me if you find out anything else.
You need to read this Cosmo and find out why you did.
Pick up. To learn something casually or without studying. For example, I picked up some French while traveling in Paris.
I picked up a lot about dramatic structure from doing my scenes in acting class.
Oh, I'm a gal that's been around. I picked up a lot of useless information.
Hold on. To wait a short time. Hold on, I'll be ready in a minute.
I know you're recording, but can you hold on a minute?
Can you hold on for a second?
Go on. To continue doing something. Please, go on with your story.
Sorry, just go on.
If you go on treating people like this, you're going to end up alone.
Cut down on. To reduce the amount of something. I'm trying to cut down on sugar.
I'm trying to cut down on red meat.
Perhaps if you cut down on the Valium and the sleeping pills, you'd have more energy.
Get rid of. To remove or throw something away. I need to get rid of these old clothes.
Get rid of the gum.
I hope you get rid of the rot.
Come across. To find something by chance. I came across an old photo in my drawer.
You ever come across anything like time travel?
How often do you come across a three-headed dog, even if you're in the trade?
Look for. To try to find something or someone. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them?
No, I'm gonna look for my sandals I lost out here the other day.
I sent the Coast Guard out there to look for him.
Run out of. To use all of something so none is left. We've run out of milk. Can you buy some?
We have run out of time.
All right, I've run out of patience.
Turn down. To reject an offer or invitation. She turned down the job because it was too far away.
I've never heard you turn down an opportunity to give this one some lip.
Look, I swear to you, I wouldn't turn down the offer if I thought I couldn't win the case.
Take up. To start doing a new hobby or activity. I've recently taken up yoga.
I think maybe you should take up drinking.
You take up a hobby, and the more you get to know it, the more fascinating it becomes.
Try on. To test clothes before buying. You should try on that jacket. It looks nice.
I'm gonna go try on the dress.
You need to try on your tux.
Catch up with. To reach the same level as someone or something. I studied hard to catch up with my classmates.
Now all we need to do is catch up with the train.
If we can't catch up with that truck and pass him by the time he gets this far, we're in real trouble.
Run into. To meet someone by chance. I ran into an old friend at the mall.
Every time there's trouble, I run into you.
I gotta say, North Island's the one place I thought for sure I'd never run into you.
Deal with. To handle a problem or situation. For example, she's good at dealing with difficult customers.
Let's just get through the wedding and we'll deal with it after.
Just let him deal with his own shit.
Come back. To return to a place. For example, she came back from her trip yesterday.
Baby, come back!
Karen, when do you want me to come back in? Look forward to. To be excited about something in the future. I look forward to seeing you soon.
I look forward to working with you.
Okay, well, I look forward to seeing you all on Monday, and please don't forget your assignments.
Take off. To become successful or to leave the ground. The plane took off in time. Her business really took off this year. I say we take off and nuke the entire site from orbit.
Maybe he can make it so a plane didn't take off, but I can sure as hell prove that one landed.
Hang out. To spend time relaxing with friends. For example, we usually hang out at the cafe after class.
Can't we hang out?
I cannot hang out with you anymore.
Get along with. To have a friendly or good relationship with someone. For example, I get along with my coworkers really well.
You don't get along with ordinary criminals either, which is why you are constantly getting in trouble.
That's what I gather, but I can get along with anyone, and I'm here to learn about your world, give help where I can, so...
So you don't want to transfer?
Set off to start a journey. We set off early to avoid traffic.
So we borrowed a car she could drive, and we set off. Then we set off, and we were there all morning.
Break down. To stop working for machines or vehicles. My car broke down on the way to work.
And when the machine breaks down, we break down.
The phones break down?
Break up. To end a relationship. They broke up after 3 years together.
You think we're gonna break up just because I'm taking a job someplace else?
No, but we're gonna break up in September anyway.
Set up. To arrange or start something. They set up a new company last year.
You set up a date.
That is the way the system is set up.
Check out. To look at something or to leave a hotel. Check out the Fluent Joy app. Or we checked out of the hotel at noon.
When did he check out?
I think we should check out this new place, in the Bywater.
Fill out. To complete a form or document. Please fill out this application form.
Make sure you fill out everything and the nurse will take you back.
If you have a product that you want tested, fill out an application and go through the process.